This isn't just any fruit, it's a tropical marvel known for its massive size, sweet flavor, and versatility. Today we're diving deep into the journey of jackfruit, from seed to street snack, exploring the meticulous farming practices and the vibrant street food culture that brings this fruit to life. Jackfruit, or kanoon as it's known locally, is more than just a fruit in Thailand. It's a staple in many households and a significant export product, cherished for its taste and nutritional value. But what does it take to cultivate this giant fruit? The journey begins with selecting the right propagation method. While jackfruit can be grown from seeds, Thai farmers often prefer grafting. This technique involves joining a scion from a mature, high-yielding tree to a young rootstock. Grafting ensures the new tree inherits the desirable traits of its parent, leading to faster fruiting and consistent quality. Think of it as matchmaking for plants, pairing the best genes to create a stronger, more reliable tree. Seeds might sound easier, but they're a bit of a gamble. You never really know what kind of fruit you'll get. Grafted trees, on the other hand, are like clones of the best performing jackfruit trees out there. It's this precision that gives farmers more control over their harvests, cutting down on unpredictability. Plus, grafted trees start bearing fruit in about half the time compared to seed-grown ones. That's a huge win when every season counts and demand for jackfruit continues to grow. Farmers often scout the healthiest, most productive trees in their orchards for grafting material. It's a practice that combines age-old farming wisdom with a touch of modern horticultural science. And once that graft takes hold and the plant starts thriving, it's like watching a new generation step into greatness. It's not just about speed, it's about preserving the legacy of excellent fruit through careful craftsmanship. Some farmers even treat their grafted trees like prized possessions, marking them with ribbons or tags to keep track. It's a small but powerful example of how deep the connection runs between Thai farmers and their jackfruit trees. Once the grafted saplings reach about 30 to 40 centimeters in height, they're ready for transplantation. The fields are prepared with well-drained sandy loam soil, maintaining a pH between 6.0 and 7.5. Spacing is crucial. Trees are planted 8 to 12 meters apart to ensure ample room for growth and air circulation. In the early stages, these young trees require diligent care. Regular watering, especially during dry spells, is essential. Mulching helps retain soil moisture and suppresses weed growth. As the trees mature, pruning becomes vital. Removing dead or diseased branches not only shapes the tree, but also promotes better air circulation and sunlight penetration, crucial for healthy fruit development. This isn't just routine maintenance, it's a daily ritual for many Thai farmers. They walk through their orchards with a careful eye, spotting any signs of trouble before they escalate. A yellowing leaf or a branch that's grown too wild gets trimmed without hesitation. Mulch isn't just thrown on the ground. It's often made from organic farm waste, making the practice sustainable too. The soil under a jackfruit tree stays cool and damp thanks to this thoughtful layering of mulch. And during the scorching Thai summers, that moisture becomes a lifesaver for the roots. When a jackfruit tree gets just the right balance of sunlight and airflow, it thrives. Good ventilation also helps reduce the risk of pests and fungal infections, keeping the tree healthy without excessive chemical use. And when harvest time rolls around, the neatly pruned trees are much easier to manage, especially considering the hefty weight of mature jackfruits. Many farmers even whisper words to their trees, believing that attention and positive energy contribute to better growth. It's this deep, almost spiritual level of care that transforms a jackfruit orchard into something extraordinary. Every fallen leaf is raked up and either composted properly or removed entirely to avoid contamination. Some orchards even use companion planting, growing herbs or flowers nearby that naturally repel certain bugs. It's a living ecosystem, carefully designed and tended to with precision. And when chemical intervention is absolutely necessary, it's done with strict adherence to guidelines, ensuring the fruit remains safe and clean. The result? Jackfruits that aren't just massive, but also grown with integrity, ensuring both quality and sustainability from farm to fork. Typically, jackfruit trees begin to bear fruit 3 to 4 years after planting. The harvesting season in Thailand spans from March to June. Harvesting is a skilled task. Farmers look for signs of ripeness, such as a change in skin color from green to yellowish brown and a hollow sound when tapped. Using sharp knives or sickles, they carefully cut the fruits from the tree, ensuring neither the fruit nor the tree is damaged. In 2023, Thailand harvested an impressive 400,000 tons of jackfruit, a testament to the dedication and expertise of its farmers. But the journey doesn't end at harvest. The next phase involves processing the fruit, especially for drying, which is a popular method of preservation and export. Once harvested, the jackfruits are transported to processing facilities. Here, they're thoroughly cleaned to remove any dirt and impurities. The fruits are then peeled, either manually or using specialized machines, to extract the yellow flesh, the edible part rich in vitamins and minerals. The flesh is sliced into uniform pieces to ensure even drying. Drying methods vary, including sun drying, oven drying, and the use of commercial dehydrators. Post-drying, the jackfruit pieces undergo quality inspection. Any pieces that aren't adequately dried or don't meet quality standards are removed. The final product is then packaged, ready for both domestic consumption and export. In 2023, Thailand exported over 100,000 tons of dried jackfruit, catering to markets in the United States, Europe, and Asia. Beyond the farms and processing facilities, jackfruit holds a special place in Thailand's vibrant street food scene. Street vendors, with remarkable skill and precision, slice through the large, spiky fruits to reveal the sweet golden segments inside. Their technique ensures minimal waste and maximum yield, turning the act of cutting jackfruit into a performance art. These street-side displays not only highlight the culinary artistry of Thai vendors, but also offer a unique experience for locals and tourists alike. The freshly cut jackfruit, with its sweet aroma and rich flavor, is a popular snack embodying the essence of Thai street food culture. From cultivation to consumption, the journey of jackfruit in Thailand is a blend of tradition, expertise, and innovation. The meticulous farming practices, combined with the country's rich culinary heritage, ensure that this tropical fruit continues to thrive, both locally and globally. So the next time you savor a piece of jackfruit, whether fresh or dried, remember the incredible journey it undertook, from the careful hands of Thai farmers to your plate. If this exploration into Thailand's jackfruit journey fascinated you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more captivating farming documentaries. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.